Alright, I haven't been making videos in a while because I've been too busy, but I'll try to at least keep up on it a little bit better. But here's a quick one anyway, just for you to watch. Steering wheel buttons, you see these ones they're just not looking too good. This one ain't too bad, but it's still losing some paint on there. That's a problem. Well, don't worry, these are actually easy to change on these wbodies. I already got my new sets here. Nice quality used part, right from the scrapyard. Anyway, what I do, stick your little blade screwdriver in there. You see that's all soft, that moves around. A little pry right underneath there, and that just comes right out. And you can just grab a hold of it and pull it out a little bit. That's about as far as you want to go. And you see, wrong side. It's got that little tiny clip in there. Again, using your small screwdriver, you're gonna press that down in there, and you'll be able to just yank that whole piece right out. So, whoop, 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 whoop. Stay, 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 stay. Stay, stay. There it goes. Comes right out. You see how that all fits right inside there? Like I said, this is just some soft little, it's not rubber, I don't think. It's like a vinyl or foam. Anyway, that comes right out. And all you gotta do is just pop the wiring back in and push it in. But first, it's a good time to go ahead and clean that out a little bit. Ugh, nasty. Anyway, a little quick video there for you, just so you can see how to pull those little steering wheel buttons out. And I'm sure you can fiddle around and just pull the buttons off themselves. But it's just easier just to pull the whole dang thing out of there anyway. So yeah, I'll try to get some more, at least some quick videos up just to kind of keep the channel somewhat alive for you. Anyway, stay tuned, I guess.